Hi Dolly friends, we are back for another video. Today I have 4 new dolls that we're going to be opening. These are all from Amazon. So we will take a look and see who we have inside. Today we have 4 Jizhi dolls. So we're going to be taking a look at those. So first up we have this little cutie patootie. Oh, it's a little boy. He is so sweet. So he comes with a bottle and magnetic pacifier. And he comes with a birth certificate, and he comes with a diaper, and we will go ahead and take him out. And then he also comes with the instructions that come with all of them. He comes in this bag, so we'll go ahead and we will open him up. Oh, he's cute. So he has a cloth body. He's has a very soft cloth body, I want to add. He's very huggable and lovable. His limbs are vinyl. They are full vinyl. And he has curly hair. Oh, look at him. So his hair, it's rooted. It's rooted very nicely. He reminds me of my other curly haired baby. He's just got a different face. But he is so cute. I love the rooting. The rooting is fantastic on him. Very, very nice. He has nice details on him. I do see blushing. And his limbs, you could pose them. So if you want to put him in a sitting position, you could do that. And his arms, they do pose as well. So that is very, very nice. So let's get on to doll number 2 to see who we have. So this one comes in a pink box. And let's see who we have in here. This is another Jizhi baby. Oh, look, she's really cute. So let's get a closer look at her. So she comes with a bag of pink accessories. And she also comes with a bottle and magnetic pacifier. And she is wearing a brown outfit. I do like her outfit. She is really precious. Alright, so here is our little baby girl. Let's take her net off of her head so we can get a better look at her face. Oh, look at her. She's really cute. I love her expression. She's just a peaceful sleeping baby. And she's got nice curls too, just like the little boy. Very good rooting. I don't see any issues with her hair. Her body is soft. It's very huggable, squeezable. She does have a little bit of weight in her. And her limbs are also vinyl. She is full vinyl limbs. And you could pose her too. She is really cute. She's got blushing details too. I don't see any veins on her, but she is still really, really sweet. I love her. And then we'll get on to doll number 3. Comes in the same type of box. And let's see who we got in here. Oh, she's cute. Look at her. She is really adorable. So we got another girl. We got another bag of accessories. And we got just a regular basic bottle with this one. And a birth certificate. And we will untie her and get a good look at this little girl. I like her outfit. Oh, and then she comes with a magnetic pacifier too. But here she is. She's really sweet. She's got a precious facial expression. And her hair, it's rooted as well. It's done pretty nicely, I would say. Her hair is very, very soft. It almost feels like a real baby's hair. Very cute. And her limbs are also full vinyl, and her body is cloth. Very huggable, squeezable. She does have a little bit of weight to her, and you can pose her too. I think she's precious. I love her, and I love her little outfit. She's wearing, oh, I twisted her leg too much, but she's wearing like this little like overall outfit. She's really cute. And then we will get on to our last baby. And let's see who we have in here. Ah, so this is the twin that Finley got. So I got 2 of these. And I gifted one to my friend Finley. She named her Chelsea. And this is her twin sister. So, yes, Finley, I do have her long lost twin. She is right here. And she comes with a bag of accessories. And she comes with a bottle of magnetic pacifier. And she has a diaper. And let's get her unwrapped. And we will get a good look at this little lady. And then here's her birth certificate and instructions. Alright. So here she is. Oh, she's got a ribbon stuck to her. Oh, she's so precious. Look at her. Oh, Finley, I know why you love this one so much. She's absolutely adorable. Oh, look at it. Oh, she's very sweet. And her hair is so soft. And her rooting is really, really nice. She's wearing little pigtails. And she's got nice blushing details. So she is a little Liam. And her limbs, they move. She's very posable. They move very easily. So if you want to put her in a laying down position, you could do that. If you want her in a sitting position, you could do that. But I just think she's so precious. So let's get their weights. Alright, so we are back to check their weights. So first up, we have this little guy with the cute curls. He is 1 pound 6 ounces. Next up, we have this cute little girl in brown. She's very sweet. And she is 1 pound 3 ounces. She's just a very tiny little thing. And next up, we have this little girl. She's really sweet. She is 1 pound 4 ounces. And then last up, we have this little girl. And she is 1 pound 6 ounces. Alright guys, so we are back and we have all 4 of our beautiful little babies. This one's a really, really hard choice because I actually love them all, but I would love to see which baby is your favorite in the comments. For me, it's just too hard to pick. I just think they're all just perfect in their own way. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!